Are you thinking about relocating to Central Florida or downsizing into a 55-plus community? You might be worried about hidden costs, builder pitfalls, or just simply not knowing which area is the right fit for you. Well, guess what? You're not alone. I'm Chris Casey, a local real estate specialist here in Central Florida and the Villages, and I've also spent years running a successful home inspection business in the Northeast. That means I bring more than just listings to the table. I bring experience, insight, and a complete integrated approach designed to cut through the stress and help you move with confidence. Let's face it, buying and selling a home is a big deal. It's not just about paint colors and curb appeal. It's about your future, your money, and your peace of mind. And if you've ever wondered, am I making the right move? Is this property hiding something? Am I being provided all of the correct information that I need? Then those are the right questions to ask. The problem is, without the right guidance, the process can feel like a guessing game. That's why I do things differently. With my background as a realtor and licensed master home inspector, I see what most agents can miss. From red flags that could cost you thousands to hidden opportunities that others may overlook. On top of that, I connect you with trusted network of lenders, inspectors, and contractors so you're covered from every angle. I'm not just your agent, I'm your property partner helping you make smart moves with confidence. So here's how it works. We start with a simple, no pressure consultation where we get clear on your goals, whether that's relocating, downsizing, or finding your forever home. From there, I guide you step by step from narrowing down the right areas and communities to connecting you with trusted professionals and making sure every detail is handled the right way. My process takes the guesswork out of moving and replaces it with strategic guidance, absolute clarity, and impactful results. So if you're ready for a real estate experience that's smarter, simpler, and truly focused on you, click the link below for your free consultation. Again, whether you're downsizing, upsizing, retiring, or searching for your dream home in Florida, I'll help you map out your move step by step so you can feel confident, stress-free, and excited for what's next. Let's make your next move your best move.